After breast cancer treatment ends, survivors are faced with a new normal. The Survivors Fit Club is a place where survivors can prioritize their wellness and journey after treatment. Here to talk to us more about this is Cindy Day, Clinical Exercise Program Coordinator for the MUSC Wellness Center. Cindy, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
And I want to ask you how this club began.
Well, somewhere around 2016, Dr. Harper at the Hollings Cancer Center got with our Clinical Exercise Program Director, Tatiana Bayer, and they collaborated to create a program that helps bring fitness and overall health and well-being to our survivors in the Lowcountry.
Okay, so obviously there was a need for a club like this. I've never heard of such a thing, and I think it's absolutely amazing. Where did the need come from?
I think that the care team got together and noticed that there was a lack of support for our survivors, a lack of support for their physical and their mental well-being as far as after the treatment. So they receive a lot of care during their treatment and a lot of support, and then I think they're sort of in this new phase in their life and they're experiencing maybe some fatigue and some anxiety and some lack of strength, and they would like to get back to their sense of self. So Dr. Bayer and Dr. Harper collaborated and they created this 10-week program where we offer exercise classes twice a week, as well as support from nutritionists and other avenues as far as doctors and advocates.
And now I know that this caters to survivors, but how does this wellness center differentiate itself from other clubs that have maybe some things that are catered to breast cancer survivors? Like what exactly happens in this wellness club?
Sure. So the wellness center caters to students. It also caters to faculty and staff within MUSC. We're open to the community, but we also provide many different clinical programs to our community.
What are some of those programs?
We do have a Rock Steady boxing program that is for Parkinson's disease. We also just started a prostate cancer survivors program.
Oh wow, okay.
We offer Piece It Together, which is a program for young adults with autism. And we offer a couple different things.
Wow, so it's not just for breast cancer survivors. You guys cover the gamut of everything people could need. And so in the club, are there certain exercises that you guys do for women who are breast cancer survivors?
Yes, absolutely. So we work primarily on posture, range of motion, beginning to return their stamina, and we work on a lot of sense of self as well.
Yeah, and it's almost like a support group in a way as well, because you're with other women who have been through the same thing, and you can only understand it really if you've been through it. And you guys have a second annual Breast Cancer Survivors Wellness Expo that is happening this Saturday. Can you tell me about it, Cindy?
Yes, we're really excited to offer this again this year. We will be holding this at the MUSC Wellness Center in our gymnasium. We will offer a couple breakout sessions as well during this event.
What are some of those breakout sessions?
We'll have a breath work seminar with Dr. Sundar. We'll also have a range of motion clinic with Dr. Katie Schmidt. We'll have a meditation with her as well, and Gail Corvette will be teaching some yoga.
That's incredible. And people where can they purchase tickets? Or it's free, right?
It's free, yep. It's open to the public. Anyone is able to come.
And is there a website that our viewers can visit to learn more about this particular club?
Yes, if you just want to go to the MUSC Wellness Center, and the information is on our homepage.
Wonderful. We'll put that information down below. Cindy, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
We're back after this.